Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we're going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box for the month of August. I'm really excited because this box came a little early where last month's box came late. So let's get to it, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing great. I'm kind of hyper today. My sisters are coming over and my friend's coming over, so I'm super excited. But let's go ahead and get to unboxing this box. So the theme for this month's box is glamping. I think this is a cute little card this month. I'm going to go ahead and read everything off the card and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to go ahead and try everything on. Alright, so the first product in the box is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. This is what this does look like. I do think this packaging is really pretty and cute. This retails for $54. It's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with cannabis sativa oil. So it's going to help calm irritation, redness, and also optimize the skin's barrier for defense against harsh environmental stress. And it also has hyaluronic acid, y'all. Alrighty, next in the box is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. This is the Essentials 2 palette. This is, oh, hello. This is the little box that it does come in. And this is what the eyeshadow palette does look like. I do think this is a really nice palette just for an everyday look with a little bit of pop of color with the bottom row. This does retail for $36. It does have 10 eyeshadows. Alrighty, next in the box is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. It's a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis sativa oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. This does retail for $20. This is what the little packaging does look like. It does come in a little tube like this and does have a little wand like this. This is in the shade Herb. Alrighty, so the next product in the box is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. The Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer is the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color to naturally looking tan. This does retail for $24. And this is what the bronzer does look like. Alrighty, next in the box is the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Whoa. Alrighty, this does retail for $12. This is the cute little box it does come in. And let's go ahead and open this up. It says it's in the color Peony. Oh my god, y'all, look how cute this is. Look at how cute. It's a little flower. That is so cute. Oh, look how tiny it is. Oh, look how... Okay, I'm a little too excited about this cute little flower, but look at it. I just want to put it in my hair. Alrighty, and just to regroup all my thoughts really quick, I wanted to mention that I really love this eyeshadow palette. It definitely has a good payoff, as well it does this bronzer. Bronzer does go on really strong, so do keep that in mind. Less is more. And I will be trying out this moisturizer at another time. This lip balm is just super cute, but it's a lip balm, y'all. It's a lip balm. And I wanted to say I did really enjoy this Milk brow gel. I really like that it didn't like dry or doesn't seem flaky or kind of patchy or anything like that. Really easy to use. Alrighty, y'all, so this completes today's video and look. I wanted to give you guys a little close-up of this little eye situation. I did a halo look on here. Gosh, I love this. Alrighty, so this completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment below of your favorite product that I got in my box or something that you got in your box that I didn't get. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!